Kailan mo pinursue yung music sa Amerika?
So, you know, a special point in time po yun. Kasi shout out to Santiago. That was my boss from back then. Tapos, at a point in time, nakikita nila na yung nagsusulat akong lyrics sa papel ng bacon. Opo.
Ano bang sinusulat mo? Feelings?
Opo. Like, just venting out.
Ano yung binivent out mo? About?
It was a lot about, like,
Frustration?
yes, frustration.
Frustration saan?
About, like, life and just having to be the provider.
Naging breadwinner ka?
Sa ngayon po, happily.
Oh, kasi may lyrics dun sa Panalo na yung I've been in Spain but the letter S is silent, pain. Kailan yung time na you went through pain? At saka anong pain? Yung pinagdaanan?